Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this wonderful marketing presentation by our member Ankit from Akkomplish. Why don't I turn it over to you, Ankit, and tell us about yourself and your company, and then how you're going to help us digitally transform our businesses.
Good morning, everybody. So this is Ankit Parashar. I am the founder and CEO of Akkomplish. Akkomplish is a ERP consulting company. It's a consulting company. Me and my partner, we started back in 2015. Uh, so recently, last month, we have celebrated our 10th anniversary. So today, first of all, I'd like to thank Marji to give me this slot to talk about digital transformation. Now, the question is, what is digital transformation? So, digital transformation is a strategic use of technologies to enhance the business. How technology is shaping up nowadays and how we can better utilize the technologies in our business. This is all about the digital transformation. Why digital transformation matters in our life. If we have our business, the market shifts, demands faster adoption. Customers expect seamless digital experiences. Whenever, if we talk about any business, if it is a small business, medium business, or if we talk about the large businesses, customers demand the best experiences, and through digital transformation we can provide them. Competitive edge through innovation, because each business need innovation, because each business has their own pain areas, and through innovation we can provide the best solution to the businesses and enhance efficiency and cost savings. Now, how leading organization around us drive through digital transformation. There are few case studies and some examples which can help us to understand that how digital transformation is helping to the business and organizations. So let's talk about our own Montgomery County. Now, this is the initiative by the county just to improve accessibility and responsiveness of people for the public. They launch Monty 2.0. That's an AI chatbot which is capable of handling around 3,000 topics and within 140 languages. And this is how even county has implemented this, and people are using it in the best possible way, and this is a successful model. On the other side, on our daily routine, we are using Metro. So Metro also implemented Microsoft Azure, and they implemented the system. They migrated the infrastructure operations, including the collection system, to Microsoft Azure. This move aimed to enhance system reliability, reduce maintenance cost, and improve overall service delivery. These are some examples which is helping us to understand the importance of the digital transformation. Now, these are the real numbers. These are the numbers we have received recently. We have received with our research, and these are amazing numbers. 68% of small businesses nationwide use AI, and I'm talking about 2024-25. It's ongoing. So 40 percentage in 2024. 74 percentage of AI adopters plan to grow their businesses in 2025. So all small and medium businesses. So we are Microsoft partners, we are technology company, and we have seen the shift from uh, uh, traditional business style to the technology. Our all clients, so we are providing ERP implementation services. Our all clients are demanding something new, something extra, where we are implementing the business solutions. So Now it is an awareness. It is not at all a buzzword anymore. This is actually happening. Digital transformation is happening to increase the efficiency. 76 percentage agree that social media positively impacts their business performance, and we all are well aware about it. We have seen that now the marketing, sales and marketing strategies, companies started focusing on digital strategies more, and we can see the results so fast. So social media is now also become the most important aspect of any business. 38 percentage added online and digital operations in the past year. 66 percentage upgraded their internet. That is it's just a number, but we have that uh, to utilize the digital transformation technologies. The basic need is very much important. 56 percentage believe AI can help address employee management issues. So you are thinking that okay, these are the numbers, this is happening around us, but what about me? So these are the great stories, but how it is going to impact to my business? Now when we talk about our business, our own business, let's talk about small and medium businesses. These are the Wait one minute. Yeah, these are the basic challenges any business are facing: rising cost and cash flow pressure, changing customer expectations, operational inefficiency, technology and security gaps. So these are the ouch of our business. Any business, when anybody is starting business, these are the basic problems we are facing. Now, so what are the solutions? The solution, the practical ways to modernize the operation, these are the basic solution, the basic fundamental. If we work on our basic business fundamental, this is how we can resolve the issues. How? First, automating workflows and repetitive tasks. That is the most important aspect here, because most of the time we are spending much time in same task, repeating task. So let's make the it will help us to we can automate the workflows, and it will help us to reduce the effort. Integrating systems for real time insights. Data is the most important aspect of any business. Once we have enough data, once we have analysis, once we have the information about our own business, we can take our decisions so fast. So integrating our system with the data will help us to grow faster. AI, in our daily business routine, we should implement the AI and analytics to improve our outcomes. And of course, the cyber security and compliances is like the most important. It is required. Now, how? So when we talk about problems and when we talk about the solution, how we can resolve the solution, how we can implement this? So the answer is, we are the upgrade button your business has been looking for. So now I would like to talk about Akkomplish. Akkomplish is we have operation in India, Mexico, US, and soon we are starting in Norway as well. So we are providing, which are the services we are providing? So we are Microsoft partners. We provide business solutions. When we talk about business solutions, when we have started Akkomplish, uh, Microsoft and the other ERP partners. So we are into ERP technologies. I would like to share what is ERP. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP is a system where we can implement in a business and which synchronize all departments together through one system. So all department can easily, seamlessly integrate and they can transact with each other. So when we have implemented, when we have started Akkomplish back in 2015, most of the time people were facing about the post sales services in business solutions. When I'm talking about post sales services, most of the partners, they were more focused on selling the licenses. So we have decided to design a business model where, as India is known for IT, we have developed a development center in India. Uh, we have a functional consulting team in Mexico, and we have a strategic move now. We recently moved to USA, so we have a team who can provide the best solutions globally. What we are doing, we are focusing on ERP implementation, digital transformation, custom software development, mobile application development, website design, and product development. Amit, are you on? Are you there? Can you, Marji, can you see Amit in the meeting? No. Okay. So we provide digital transformation solution. We need to understand your business. First we will discuss with you, we will understand the business process, and based on your business process we will provide you the digital transformation consulting services. Then we will, in the same way, if you have some requirement, we will understand your business, your scope, and then we can provide the custom software development services. In the same way, mobile apps. uh, we have another company called abkdigital.com, which is focusing on website design and development. And we can also provide the integration with your business. We can develop any idea. If you have any idea in your mind, you can share with us, and we can develop the idea from the scratch. So we can provide the custom product development as well. So we don't just push buttons, we replace the old ones with shiny new turbo buttons. This is what we are doing through our new concept called BAS. So BAS is a big business acceleration system. How it works? Business acceleration system is it's the concept where we will meet you, we will discuss with you, and we will talk about the pain areas you are facing in your daily routine, in your business. And based on the pain area, we will help you, we will sit together and we will help you to design the digital strategies that have got, these are the applications, if you are going to implement in your business, it will help you to enhance your business. We can definitely discuss more about BAS. If you have time, share your time. Let's meet in person. Let's discuss about it. And it will definitely help you to increase the efficiency in your business. We have a special offer for chamber members where we can provide 10% discount to the chamber members. So that's it from my end. I would like to have your feedback. If you want this presentation, I can share your time, and we can meet in person and we can discuss more about our services.
Thank you so much, Ankit. Yes, I would like to send this recording out with your presentation to people who couldn't make it today, if that's all right with you. And I'd like to open up the floor for questions. So if you want to stop sharing your screen and everybody can come back on screen and unmute yourself. Courtney, you have any questions for Ankit or Joanna?
I do.
Okay,
I'd
go ahead.
love to get an understanding if you have an on average percentage of either saved time or reduced, uh,
Yes.
if we
So
get an understanding of like the output.
yes, so we have like some database. We have statistics as well, and I can share with you. for sure.
Okay.
So generally, some solution, if we implement, so each business and the business process is very different.
Mm-hmm.
Based on the business process, we need to understand that how, what are the pain areas, which are the decisions is impacting to the business, and based on that we can design. As per our experiences, we have increased the efficiency up to 20 to 30 percentage. Everything, all the complete system become like it's on a auto mode, and it is helping to the decision makers and the business owners.
And just a follow-up question. Do you find that your automation helps to reduce headcount, or
Not
does
at
it
all.
retain headcount and then they're able to do other items? Or are you really like able to say, I
See,
can eliminate an entire person? Just thinking from a overhead perspective.
yeah. So, see, it's not so when computers came, people were talking like, okay, now they are going to replace computers are going to replace the human, but it's this is going to increase the efficiency of the people. Let me give you one example. We have implemented one AI model in with Norwegian government. So in the hospitals, they had crowd, and then they had planned to manage the cloud. So we have developed a predictive analysis, one AI based predictive analysis for them, where we implemented the solution, and the staff, they were spending unnecessary time to manage the crowd. They started focusing on providing the solution, providing the services to the cloud. Tor, would you like to talk about it? Tor is my partner from Norway.
Absolutely. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in Norway, we developed a solution for hospitals called smart crowding that is helping out with how hospitals are managing uh, the operations. And one a big problem that is in all hospitals all over the world is what we call overcrowding. That is when there's more patients than there are resources to manage them. For example, in UK, they have for a very long time had big issues with it, and sometimes, well, not just sometimes, it's quite often when ambulances are arriving at the ER, there is no room for the patients inside, so they have to wait inside the ambulance for up to like 24 hours, even more. And what we are doing is creating a system that is helping the different departments in the hospital to work together. Usually they don't do that at hospitals. There are silos, and they have resources inside those silos, and that is what they usually have in kind of all hospitals all over. And we are with Akkomplish, we have developed a system that is taking care of this. And the idea of the system is a person with a PhD in hospital management, and Akkomplish have been working with that team and been developing this system.
And can
That
you also
is
talk about our BAS, the concept of BAS, and how especially we are implementing in Maryland in DMV area?
Yeah. So the BOSS concept is basically um, you can almost call it a trust as a service. In a lot of companies there is we are working with a lot of developers and people who are developing products, and also companies that need funding in different forms. And in order to get someone to invest in the company or give funds to a company, the basic thing you need is trust. And if you have that, you can do a lot of things together. And sometimes companies don't know what is lacking in order to get the full trust they need, and sometimes they get like answers like, yeah, this is interesting, but the time is not right, and then a lot of words that don't give any answers about why do they not want to fund this or invest in this. And what we are doing with this BOSS system is that we are creating a layer of trust between the people who are developing products and the other stakeholders, so that we can demonstrate that we have the capability of making these products, that we are giving transparent reports about everything that is going on the progress, on blockers, all the things that they usually ask for, but it's hard to give those kind of reports when they're pressured and there are constraints about budget and time and everything. And we are helping out and providing everything that the stakeholders need to feel that trust, basically.
Yeah. Merge. You are on a mute, Merge.
Sorry, Marielle is on, and her company does animation. How does
Oh,
animation fit in with this?
Thank you, Marge.
Yeah, I think all the
course.
time, everything where you are developing a product, even if it's a software product or an animation product or any kind of thing that you're making, you have you have some practices.
Complete insights about, so it is transitioning from the technical updates to the layman language for the customers as well as for the CEOs of the company, so they can get the complete updated what is happening, how project progress is going on, and it can give the complete insights to the decision makers.
Excuse me, a question on that, because what we
Yeah.
sell, it's a creative product, a creative video for a company to engage their audience,
Yeah.
to stand out from the crowd. For example, it could be an explainer video, or it could be a storytelling, or just enhancing the logo, animating the logo. So sometimes it's developed. We could work with illustrations, and sometimes it could be from scratch. So one of the pain points is to help the client visualize how it will end. Well, for that we create the images. We use AI. Though AI cannot fully produce what a human being can do with animation. You cannot slowly rely on AI, though we use it. It's very helpful.
Yeah.
And I guess usually it starts with maybe they have a budget to start with, and you make some estimations of how long it will take to make it, and then the total cost of the animation.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
And then you have the actual time of producing it. And if it's
Execution.
especially when it's a longer project with a higher budget on it, I guess you will have to report to the stakeholders the progress of things, and you need to, when you start out, you need to they need to be sure that you will actually be able to create this animation the exact way that they are imagining in it, and the getting the outcomes that they're looking for. And
Yes.
for this BOSS service, what is relevant in this context is that we take the data from the project management software and turn that into reports that is very simple to read in business language for the stakeholders, and they will kind of understand how everything is going in terms of the process of developing it, to help out so that you don't have to spend so much time to make all those reports and explaining how all this works, explain that you need some time to make the estimations. That's part of the process also, and everything else that is part of your job is not to just sit down and start making an animation. You need to do some pre-work, you need to do some estimations, you need to do a lot of different things that sometimes they don't understand, that you also need those elements in the process, and that's part of the cost and part of the process of doing all that.
Yeah, thanks. Great.
So give us the top three, what a small company can do immediately to implement your strategy. What I hear is to call you and you know, they have to tell you what it is that they want to do, and then you can create.
It's like it's going to be the mutual effort from both ends. First, we need to understand that what's your business process, how it's working, which are the technologies you are using currently, and how we can help you to enhance, how we can help you. Sometimes most of the time people think, decision makers, they think that okay, digital transformation or adoption of technology is an investment, or let's say it's a cost. But it is sometimes it's not the cost, but it's an investment. And sometimes it is free as well. It's just about to have the knowledge. It's just matter of having the idea that how we can better utilize the solution. Some solutions are available which is amazing and which is giving amazing results as well, but sometimes people are not aware of it. And then so we can sit together, we will understand, and then we can suggest you, okay, for your business this is what is required. Let's start with the small thing, and then initially once we will start implementing, we will give more insights about it. Recently we have implemented AI model in Mexico. They were using business solutions. They have around 400 people. They are using the solution, and they were facing some issues related to payment receivable and so on. We designed a module, and we design in a way that they can utilize their own system, and though they don't need to spend more for the license in it. It's a huge pharmaceutical company in North America. However, we just help them to utilize their own solution in a best possible way. So yeah.
Any other
Do you-
questions?
So your model is to do like an audit, right, on the process of the
Yes,
company, and then suggest which would be
exactly. So
the way to
first we will,
optimize.
yeah. So first it's like we will understand, we will audit everything. We will definitely sign a non-disclosure agreement with you. So your business secret will be with you only. We will understand the business process. We will understand how your business, or when you have started, what was your vision, and now what is your vision for next 2 years, and how technology will help you to achieve that vision. That is the most important aspect. And we, as we know that first we need to work together on a business process as well. So before to implement any technology, before to adopt any technological enhancement, we will sit together and we will work on a business process. Okay, these are the pain areas. So I am a certified digital transformation consultant. I have I from the renowned university from India. 4,500 people applied for digital transformation course, and only 51 got selected, and I was one of them. And yeah, and I was in a top 11. And the main idea is to get the idea that how people talks a lot about digital transformation, but in a practical scenario, how we can implement it and how business will get more benefits of it. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So I want to thank you very much for your time. I feel like this is an international meeting this morning. Mariella, where are you from?
I am from Argentina, and actually,
Oh.
we also have a global presence because my partner who does the animation is in Buenos Aires, Argentina, and you probably heard it's very well known for the cultural industries and creative industries. So we do a lot of stuff for the region and Europe and here. Well, here.
We have a lot of clients in Argentina.
Oh, and I lived in Mexico for 2 years.
Oh, we have operation in Mexico in CDMX.
Where?
In Toluca.
Ah, Toluca. That's close to the DF, right?
Yeah,
Toluca.
it's close to Mexico City.
Yeah, I live
40
in
minutes.
yeah.
Yo hablo español poquito.
Ah, muy bien. Y I work here with a lady from India. She helps me with all the technical part, and she's great, amazing, and she feels alive whenever she has to solve something IT related. I don't have those skills, but she does. And her husband also is an engineer. So
In Argentina, we are implementing one AI model in a farm product manufacturing company. It's a number one product in Argentina. And
farm product.
yeah, so I cannot share the name of the client as of now.
Ah, okay,
But
I understand.
but it's a huge company. They have operation in 40 countries.
Ah, it might be Cargill, but I will not say. One of the biggest.
and
Or Monsanto.
and we have implemented the solution there, and now we are helping them with AI model as well.
Ah, very good. Have you been there? Have you?
Yes, I have been to Argentina.
And I went to India. I visited
Oh,
the Taj
wow.
Mahal. Yes.
Oh, wow, that's
many
amazing.
years ago. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah, I'd love this international meeting. We have Norway, we have India, we have Argentina.
Yeah. Thank you,
Courtney,
Marty.
you, me, and Dawn are like.
Not as
Thank
well
you for-
traveled at the moment. No, a little busy.
Did you get all your questions answered, or you need to set up a one-on-one with Ankit? Courtney.
I got all my questions answered. Thank you.
Okay,
Appreciate
great.
it.
Okay, anything else you want to share? Okay, I want to just thank you so much for taking the time, Tor and Ankit, to come out and talk to us. And we will send this recording out afterwards with your presentation, if you don't mind. Okay, so have a wonderful week. I thank you all for your time on an early Monday morning.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Thank you,
Thank you
Margie.
for the opportunity.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
And thank you, Nick. Bye-bye.
Bye.